Hello everyone, welcome to my tutorial Code with Rex. So today I'm going to be talking about variables in Python. Actually, when let's say your name is Jackson, your mother called Jackson, you answered, and you have a sister named Rose. Why did you answer not your sister named Rose? It's because it's what they used to identify you. Your mother used Jackson to identify you. Now converting that illustration to programming base now, that Jackson is a variable while you are the data stored inside the variable. So variables are actually names given to a set of data or the data. Then you store the data inside the variable. So variable can come in form of something like name equals to Jackson. So actually here this is a variable. Then I can call on the variable using the name. I don't even need to know the name, but as far as I know the name of the variable, I can call on it just something like print name. And we can see it here. Our name is printed out here called Jackson. Then if I change the name and store the name store inside this variable to something like Rose. And when I print name, it's giving us Rose instead. So that's how variable actually work. And variable doesn't have to only deal with string. It can also deal with something like numbers. So you can have something like age. Sorry, 14. And you can also print age. And see it here. Rose 14. You can see that a name is Rose. Then actually we talked about concatenation while working with string in the previous tutorial. If you haven't watched that, you can go back and watch the tutorial string. Sorry, this is meant to be name. You can see it here. And we have to put space here. Her name is Rose. She is 14 years old. So that's actually how we work with variables there. So if I change this back to Mike, change this to Michael, and change this age to 23. Maybe I've written this name manually here and this age here. I will have to change it there. Even if I have it, even if my program contains like thousands space in document, I have to change each of them manually one by one after the other. So variable actually save our time. So now imagine I have a program like this. Print my name is Michael. Okay. I'm writing a story here. I am yes old. So in this my story here, let's say my name and my age appear plenty times. So let's say now in this story, I want to change the character name and character age to something else. I will have to go manually changing Michael and 34. But adding being adding being is something like this. Adding being is something like this. Let's say as much as before. And now I want to change the character name from Michael to Jackson and from 34 to 12. I don't have to start changing them individually from each line of code. I could just go to the variable and change it to Jackson. Then to 15 here. We can see everything here change. Jackson 15. Sorry. I want to change this to my name. You see? This is actually I'll be changing everything manually. So this is how it goes. So this is what Face will actually help us to do. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. Stay connected as I release more video. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button and like button. And I'll be releasing more of my videos frequently, at least two every week or more every week. So stay connected as I release more videos on Python tutorial, CK tutorial, Python GUI.